So students, today we're gonna do the ABCs of AutoCAD. So take time to open your class template that we did before. I'm gonna have you guys or have you create a table. So type the command table. Make sure it has 5 columns, 5 rows. The title will be ABC AutoCAD. So what I'm asking is, A is what? Art. B is block. C is circle. So we put A for art. B for block. C for circle. D is for bend style. And erase. E is for erase. You can do it this way, or you can go down diagonally. It doesn't affect me as long as you do all 25, all the letters in the alphabet. If you find a letter that does not have it, you're gonna put NA or not available. So that's the assignment. Once you finish this table, you will go to layout. Here we're going to use the command viewport or viewports. We're going to use the single option, click OK. We're going to snap to this corner and snap to this corner. I want you guys to zoom in here. Double click in here, zoom in. I don't want these grids to show up, so I'm gonna do so you guys can be zoom into what we want. We're gonna do a command called zoom. Zoom, we're gonna do a window, and we're just gonna select this area right here, and it's gonna be zoomed in to our center point. This would be our drawing 2. We double click outside so we can get out of model space into paper space. Make sure you type your name. This will be changed to the ABCs of AutoCAD. You put the date that you did this. Our course, we're going to leave it as not to scale. This is sheet number 2. Then we'll print it. We'll print this as a PDF. So we go to AutoCAD PDF. We're going to select the window. And then we're gonna select from here, from this dotted lines to the other dotted line. Make sure it put fit to paper, center the plot. And we're gonna click preview to see if it comes out as we want it. It looks great. Let's do this. So let's go ahead and put the printer. Make sure you save this as your ABCs of AutoCAD. And then you should come out, get something here. Your, of course, will have all the answers here. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and proceed with submitting this. And of course, I will upload the file, the ABCs of AutoCAD. I have it saved on disk on class template, so I will submit the class template DWG file, and I will submit the ABC of AutoCAD layout. I submitted both files, submitted, and that's it for the ABCs of AutoCAD. So we'll start from letter A, working all the way to our letter C. And that is pretty much what we'll be doing for this assignment.